Yo, what is going on, guys? Now in this video, as you guys have already seen in my thumbnail or in the headline title, this is a video where I'll be sharing with you guys how you guys can get 4,000 watch hours in the fastest way possible on YouTube. Now, before I even talk about how to get it done, you guys may want to know why, right? Why do you want to achieve 4,000 watch hours in the shortest amount of time possible? It's pretty simple, because you want to get your channel monetized. It's as simple as that. Now YouTube has this criteria where if you want to monetize your videos, you will need to fulfill two conditions, and right up the top of my head, two main conditions other than the whole setup stuff from AdSense and whatnot. Number one is to get 1,000 subscribers, which we will talk about in the future videos. Number two is to get at least 4,000 watch hour from your channel, and that could be daunting for any new YouTubers or anyone who wants to monetize their YouTube channel. That could sound very daunting, very scary, sound like an impossible task, right? But to be honest, it is not as difficult as it sounds. There are ways to do it in the easiest way possible, and I'm going to tell you guys why right now. So the first reason, or rather the first way to actually get 4,000 watch hours is to find trendy topics. Trendy topics can be anything that is in your niche, outside of a niche. Well, if you guys are building a brand, I would recommend to do something that's more in your niche. But if not, a good example to find trendy topics could be something like the metaverse, crypto, health, diet stuff. Those are the kinds of topics that are rather more trendy. They're much more, gets more volume in terms of traffic when people are searching for keywords. So these kind of videos, people are always looking for information. People are always, wanting to know more about such stuff. So for example, crypto, right? Crypto has been booming for the past few years. In the recent months, it just get even hotter, right? With NFT, with all the other coins, mining strategies, and so much more. And people are still actively looking for ways to join into the crypto world, right? And it is quite true. Anything that deals with crypto, it has a lot of traffic. A lot of people are looking for, how to get free crypto, how to get started with crypto, how to mine cryptocurrency, how to basically a lot of how-to videos. So this could be a direction. Now I'm just giving an example. You don't have to really talk about crypto per se. You can just talk about anything that's trendy or more specific, that rather have a lot of volume. People are thinking about it, people are asking about it. So at the time of this recording, for example, if you were to do something that deals with the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard case, right, that gets a lot of volume, that gets a lot of curiosity. People are looking for tabloids, gossips, rumors, how is the case going, etc. And these are kind of trendy topics that you want to tap onto. However, there's a catch. You do not want to tap onto a topic that is like a fad, where it's just a small just like a periodical thing. Like again, using the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard case story, that could be just like a periodic episodic kind of thing, where it could last for maybe the next few months, like 3 months, maybe next 4 months, and that's it. The whole traffic will die down. But if we were to talk about a topic like, for example, like crypto, right, that topic is going to be more or less evergreen, and there will be more traffic down the road, say 6 months, 3 months, or even a year later, compared to the Amber Heard and Johnny Depp case. Now, those cases that are super hot right now, for example, again, using the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard storyline, in the foreseeable future, the traffic volume will not be as high, because people have moved on from this episode, and they are no longer curious to know, or rather not a lot of people will be curious to know more about this saga. However, when it comes to the topic of crypto, it is always there, because a lot of people are now buying into crypto, and this is an evolving conversation that people will just keep talking about it. People will keep exploring more ways to mine crypto, to get into the crypto world, introduce a new strategy to crypto. And crypto essentially is a topic that will not die, right? There's a lot of curiosity. There are a lot of people that are jumping onto it. So this kind of videos gives you longevity, and these are the kind of video that will get you a lot of watch time, because people want to know more information on this topic, right? Now, the other way it is to, or rather to complement this strategy of finding a trendy topic, is to create videos. I mean, of course, create videos. What do I mean by that is finding those professional videos. Now, I know some of you guys are thinking, hey, you're just talking with your camera recording. Yes, because I am just simply providing you guys information, and there's nothing more to it. I'm not teaching you guys anything. I'm sharing information. That is why I could definitely do this better. Alright, but granted, if you want to share more informative videos, usually the best way to do it is like a show and tell, right? You show how and where, and you actually direct your audience a certain direction and show them how to do it. Now, to do this, there's a few ways to do it, right? You can outsource someone from Fiverr. You provide them with a script, right? Provide them with a script, and you get someone on Fiverr to create those pictory videos, those animation videos, and create it for you. If you know how to do some video editing, then all you have to do is just do your own due diligence, research what is trendy, what is hot, what is in the niche, what is the hottest topic in the specific niche. You create a script, do your own review, do your own due diligence, your own research, you talk about a topic and you upload it. And or you can always hire someone to do all this for you and outsource it in the in some other outsourcing or freelancer website. Oh, excuse me, my light almost dropped. But of course, that is something that is not at the immediate. I would say I want to recommend you guys to do, because I want to recommend you guys to build your own channel first before anything else. So I don't really recommend you guys to do those outsourcing videos at the start. However, it is possible. Again, Fiverr is a good place to outsource. Freelance.com is a good place to start as well, where you just have to deliver the script. Now, how do you guys want to write your script? It's also, again, it goes with your own due diligence, where you just have to talk to people. Oh, my ring light is dropping, excuse me. But yeah, you just have to go find some articles, dig out some articles, you read it, you go out the main point. Now, again, I never recommend you guys to plagiarize or copy directly. You have to read and infer and use your own understanding and convey in your own words. That is where it is the best way to talk to your audience and build a following. And again, this essentially is how you guys can build a following in the relative niche in the topic, and also get their watch time. Because number one, you are tackling onto a trendy hot topic where people are always searching for results, right? And then number two, you are creating professional videos with or without you actually doing it. Now, I'm not going to talk about outsourcing in this video because it's a whole different topic by itself, but it is something that's possible. I'm telling you guys right now, it is possible to outsource all of your work, but again, it's not a direction that I want to recommend you guys at the start, right? Now, and with these two strategies, it is one of the easiest way to go get 4,000 watch hours in the fastest way possible, organically. All right, again, you build your channel, you build your brand, and you get the watch time that you need to monetize your channel. And this is one of the easiest way to do it, and this is how I get my first channel monetized to begin with, and I know it's gonna help you guys out the same way as well, right? So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys found tremendous value in this video, and if you guys did, I would appreciate a like, share, and subscribe. Now, do check out our videos and other content in our channel. We have amazing content that we are teaching, we are showing, and we are preparing a lot of tutorials for you guys to get free information without a single cost, because we are uploading everything on YouTube, and we hope our only goal is to help you guys get free information and you guys can benefit from us, and that's it. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys have a nice day. Take care and stay safe, and either myself or my partner Saurabh, we're gonna talk to you guys in the next time. Cheers.